episode with me, Kate Solly. Welcome to this channel, Makelele House of Entertainment. And today I have another video, and today we are washing machine. You know, here kuosha manguo. You see, the way you see it doesn't look like it's dirty, but inside there it's so dirty, guys. It's like it's been like 6 months, all kind of no. It's just like 1 year. So the whole of last year, I didn't wash it. We are beginning another year. We are making everything clean to start another year. So this is what we are going to do to make it clean. So as you can see, just look at this, guys. Yani imeacha machine imekuwa chafu hadi this is so disgusting, guys. To a woman like me, this is so disgusting, and I'm so sure I'm not alone. We are many, and when I pull this one, it's too dirty too. Let me show you. When you see inside there, you can see that the machine is so dirty, and like we are using like every day we have to wash clean clothes. And sometimes when you wash clothes, you find like you have washed them, but yet they are not clean because they have some stains of mold. Because when you leave it for long and you are not washing it, this dirty kind of piles up and makes this black kind of stains, and it's not good for a cloth. Okay, so I want to clean it, and I've got this mold cleaner. This is for this stain that looks like, let me show you, like this black stains. I'll just spray this mold faster action and leave it for like one hour. And also this multi-purpose, it cuts through grease and grime. We leave it for like 1 hour, and then we come back, wash it. But before that, let me show you something else that you don't know. All right, let me pull this one. As you can see here, I've got this filter thing, and then I've got this pipe. This pipe has water that is dirty. When you wash clothes, some water comes in here, and so you can't open this filter, when this one has water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out this one just a little bit, and careful. Acha tuone kama itatoka. Sometimes huwa inakataa, but before water is in the steam. Wacha niachia hapo usiharibu maneno. And then this water is dirty. Just look at it. Just see, this is disgusting. And it's smelling so bad. Smelling so bad. If you've never done this before, please try. Look at your machine, how it looks like, and try to wash it. You may never know, but what you are doing, you're just washing your clothes with dirty water, and your clothes are not clean because the water is dirty and the machine is dirty too. So I'm just going to take all of this water. You've got to take a towel to soak all the water there, because when you get a basin, this thing is too low. The basin won't fit here. This water is so disgusting. It smells so bad. That's why I've got gloves.
Kufungua.
Hivi.
Pande nyingine clockwise.
Guys, look at this. So disgusting for a woman. Even uchafu imepile hapa. So this thing you have to wash it. Huh? You have to wash it and then take something like a towel and try to, try inside in here there's a lot of dirt. So you have to wipe it. Huh? So I'm going to spray this multi-purpose to clean it, alright? And then just look at that. That's so disgusting. It's been like an year, and I'm sorry to say that. And then I've got this here. I'm going to spray, then use another towel to wipe everything because everything is dirty there. So I'm going to spray this multi-purpose too. There, and then I'll wipe. Okay, everything I'm giving it a few minutes. All right. When you come here, there's this dispensing tray, detergent tray. You can see it's not clean either. We have to spray this multi-purpose too to dye. And leave it there. I'm going to wash it. Now inside here, I have to use this multi-purpose tool, right? To spray it. And there's some black things there, mold. So I'll use this fast action mold killer and spray there. Okay. I'm done with the spray. I'm done with the. So guys, I'm done with this part. I'm just spraying multi-purpose. Guys, when I come in here, I've got this gasket liner rubber. You can see when you pull it is so that. Let me just remove this. This is so disgusting. You can see. This is how dirty it looks like, huh? When you try to pull everything in here, you see, this is the dirty I'm talking about. And black stuff, oh my goodness, oh my good. And we have been washing clothes in here. So I'm going to spray first mold killer for this black stuff all around. Everywhere. I better leave it like to look like water. These detergents are so strong, so you got to be careful with them. Multi-purpose. Ukikuona kitu naweza ekelea. Kuna ka brush. Nataka.
Brush ndio. Brush ndio. Ndio brush ndio.
clean it is. Alright, I use it like now. I want to use it to wash this with brush. So even when I use my hands, it's not getting it. twice before you do something, okay? So I'm done with this. Now, mixing this water. Good one. So I'm going to wait for like 1 hour for this one and this one, this stuff over here. I'm going to wait for it to penetrate everywhere for like 1 hour. So guys, welcome back, and this is after 12 hours. So what happened yesterday? I left the machine with this multi-purpose and this mold killer as we did yesterday, and like I told you, like I have to wait for 1 hour. It wasn't possible. This thing was so hard. You got to wait, and there's no hurry, so I had to wait it to work overnight. All right, so this is the following day after we did what we did yesterday. So I got this basin with me and I got this towel. What I'm going to do, I'll put it in water. Doesn't matter if it's cold or it's warm water. Just put in there water, then put some soap. Doesn't matter which soap you got. All right. This one is for laundry, and we're going to give a scrub and then we wipe out the dirt which is left. Alright? So let me show you what we're going to do. So as you can see, it really worked. For me it worked throughout the night. So I'm going to give a scrub and wipe. Alright? Then here I scrub and then I wipe. Then I show you what next we are going to do. Alright? I just use a brush because it was so hard. I scrub inside. And then in here, sijui kama hii itaweza ingia.
Itabidi chukue ingine.
Okay, now I'm going to wipe out this. See this. Tumeosha hadi hii pipe ndani ilikuwa black, ilikuwa na black, so hata kusioni sina hard work nikapanguza tu, and then I show you what next we are going to do because we are not yet done. Uchafu yote ikusanywe kwa pipes. Inside the difference. Can you see the difference? Niachie light down. It's dark. You're struggling to see because there's no light. Video hiyo nimefanya. Haya kukata chua unaangalia. done with wiping, so I'm going to put inside here inside the drum. I'm going to put in vinegar, white vinegar, baking soda, and water. I'm going to mix them and then I'm going to put in here this concentrated fabric conditioner. I put it here, and that will be the last cycle, and our machine will be clean, fresh, and I'll show you the last results. I'll show you the last result. So let me mix the baking soda, white vinegar, and water. All right, so guys, I have to return this one back. I have to return this one back. And then I have baking soda. I'm going to put it a quarter glass, and then water, a quarter glass. Alright? Then I'm going to add in water. And then white vinegar, nafunga haraka, tunapika kiasi. And then I'm going to give it a normal cycle way of washing, and we wait. Alright, then we wait, we give another cycle to get a good smell, a good fresh, this concentrated fabric conditioner, and then we'll be done. Okay? Okay guys, this is the last process and we are done with everything. So my washing machine is smelling nice, looks so good, so fresh and very clean. As you can see guys, just look at this. And those are the last results, like I promised. Shiny, looks so good. I love it and I love the process. So guys, the problem is when we say that machines don't get dirty, but they do, because we think that when we're using soap and water, it's like they don't get dirty, but they do. It's because you're washing and it gets mold, it gets stuff from your clothes, and yeah, they do get dirty. So that's the last result, and I'm so happy, and I'm so sure that you loved this video. Make sure that you give a subscribe, like, share to the most and many people. Make sure that you subscribe, like, share to the many and most people. Nasi tuonane the next